While many nations choose to avoid deploying cluster munitions due to ethical considerations, these weapons offer advantages in targeting mobile objects and covering extensive areas. The expanded coverage, heightening the likelihood of hitting a target, is counterbalanced by a notable reduction in individual warhead size compared to unitary warheads. Cluster munitions come in various versions, and an initial burst is discernible as the rounds disperse submunitions, impacting a larger area, with some landing in proximity to tanks and troops. The exact magnitude of the resulting damage remains uncertain, but it seems to lean more towards the minor side than being substantial. Nonetheless, the impact is adequate to unsettle troops, prompting their disembarkation from vehicles. This underscores how cluster munitions can effectively impede the advancement of moving armored columns.